Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss how we can create login form by using PowerApps. Let's see how we can do this. First we have to create one list in our SharePoint site. Okay. Now I will open our SharePoint. Now I will create one list. This is our list name, login details. Okay. Here username and password. These two data type will be single line of text. Okay. It is the usernames and here it will be shown the passwords. Okay. Now before we are create a simple login form in Power Apps, so now we'll create one list in our SharePoint site. Okay. Now I will go to the Power Apps. Now I have to create one simple canvas application. Okay, this is the login form. How it's work? Now we will play this one app. Click on play button. So here it will show the interface like username and password. So I will enter the username and password. So I will click on login button. It will show the error message like please enter correct details. Okay. I will enter the correct username and password. Now I will check in our list. This is the username and password. Okay. Now I will give this username and password in the form. Okay. I will give the correct username and correct password. So now I will click on view button also. It will show. So this is the password. Now I will click on login button. So it will come the screen. So welcome to our screen. This was successfully logged in. Okay. Our data will be match. I like username and password. This is the simple login form by using Power Apps. So the data source we are using SharePoint list. Okay. Let's see how we can do this. So let go back our Power Apps. Now I will create one blank canvas application. Click on blank app. Here create one blank canvas application. Give a simple login form. Okay, now I will create one blank canvas application. Click on create. It will be shown our blank canvas application. So here this is the screen. So now I will design the interface for the login form in this screen. Okay, what will take here? Now I will take the input controls like text label. Okay, and one more I will take text input. And this one I will copy the one more text input control. Okay, this is the text input control. Now I will take one more label. This is for text. This is the text label. Now I will copy the one more text label. Okay, now I will paste on one more again. This is the showcase our when I enter the user password like incorrect details, that time it will be shown. Okay, I will take one more text label. Now I will take one button control. So now I will click on here button, so it will be come the button. Okay, it's a good. Now we will design our screen. Okay, simple login form. Now I will enter the simple login form. Size should be 30, bold, middle. Okay, color should be one more. We have to design our screen. Okay, I have to design our screen. Okay, this is the interface, how it's looking. Okay, clear here text input. Here I will give the hint text. Please enter username. Okay, size should be 20. Okay, here it will be bold 18. Text will be username. Okay, give the alignments here. Now I will design on one more text label. Password, give 20, bold. Okay, I will design our screen. So like login form. Okay, this is the text. So input text, here the password, right? When I enter the password, it will be not showcaseable, right? Now I will click on one more controls here, like mode. Click on here. It will default single line. Okay, now I will change the password. So now I enter the data, so it will be under the taken dots. Okay, so it not showcaseable. So now I will please enter the password. Okay, size should be 20. So in this label, now I will show the error, right? Please enter correct username password. Okay, size should be 20 and bold center alignment be red. Okay, so now I will create a logic for this button. So now I will click on the login button. Now I will change the name login. Okay, size should be 20. Click on here. Before we create a logic, now we have add the data source for this app. Click on data source, add data. Now I will search SharePoint list. Okay, now I will type a SharePoint. It will be shown our site address. Click on our site address. So under site address we have shown details of lists. Okay, this is our list. Now I will click on this list login details. I have to connect it to SharePoint list to PowerApps. Okay, so the data will be connected to our PowerApps. Okay, now here I will take one more control like view icon. Okay, it will be view icon. So now write a logic for login button. So under on select property I will create one lookup this is the data source name, comma, title equals to text input 1 dot text. Okay, this is the formula for this one, and password equals to text input dot 1 dot text. Okay, now I will validate, so our title column is blank or not. Okay, now I will write a one condition for if condition for this one. Now I will take one if condition, if is blank equals to comma. So now our title column is blank. That time it will be shown the error message, or else we log in the our next screen. Okay, or else shown. Now I will create one update context variable shown error is to true. Okay, comma. So navigate another screen. Okay, now I will create one more screen here. Click on here. So now I will take template success. So now I will modify this screen. Okay, logged in successfully. Okay, 30. I will take one more label here. Okay, give text welcome to our screen. Okay, size should be 30. Center bold. I will design like, okay. So now I will click on screen 1. So here we will give the screen 2. Okay, this is formula for this login form. Okay, now I will do one thing, reset text input 1. Text input 1.1. I will reset when I click on submit button or else login button. So automatically reset our text inputs. Okay, this is the simple login form. Okay, so now I will show this one, right? Click on this one label. So under visible property, give a shown error. Okay, in this view icon, so now under the screen I have create one variable. So under on visible property, create a set view data. This is the variable name, text mode and password. This is the variable for this one. Okay, the mode property, In this text input control, on this mode we will give the view data, and on select property single line. Okay, we shown the error. Okay, it is a fine. So this is the simple login form. Let before this app, play this app. Now I will say once. Okay, and also publishing our version also. So publish this version, click on OK. Now I will play this app. Click on icon play button. So now I will enter the data. Okay, click on login. So our data will be wrong. So user name and password should not be matched. Okay, please enter correct username and password. Now I will click give a username and password. I will give correct username and password. So welcome to our screen. This was successfully logged in. So our data will be matched. So this is the simple login form by using PowerApps. So let's check the view icon, single line, view data. So now I will refresh this app. Click on reload. Okay, this is the simple login form. So this is a simple condition also. So by using this form, and now I will play this app. I will give the correct data. One, two, three, four, five. Now I will click on view icon. So it will be shown. So data. Now I will click login button. So it will be success. So welcome to our screen. So our data will be matched. One more I will play. So I will enter wrong data. So that time it will be showcase the data. Top of the error message. Please enter the correct username and password. When I enter the correct data, so it will be logged in successfully. Okay. This is simple login form by using PowerApps. I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.